Today's new chapter is statistics. Statistics is a branch of mathematics in which deals with the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Data are of two types, primary data and secondary data. Primary data is that which one is collected by yourself, and secondary data is collected by any authority, any office, any government officials, etc. are the secondary data. Primary means taking by yourself, by counting yourself, etc. Range of the data, the difference between highest and the lowest value of the data is called the range. The difference between highest and lowest value of the data is called range. Frequency, the number of the times an observation is repeated is called its frequency. Class interval, the class interval are groups which are formed to condense the raw data like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. In this, 0 is the lower limit and 10 is the upper limit. Class mark equal to lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Mid value of this class interval is known as class mark. Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. This is useful for your class 10. Class size is also important for class 10. Class size is the difference between upper limit and the lower limit of the class. And next, cumulative frequency. Cumulative means cumulative frequency of a particular class is the sum of all frequencies up to and including that class. This will be used in calculating median. And class size and class mark is required for solving mean of the grouped data. There are three ways of finding a mean of the grouped data. First is direct method. The direct method is if the values, these are the class marks and these are the frequencies. Multiplying x1, f1, x1, f2, x2, xa, suppose, and sum of the frequencies. The formula becomes sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. This is the formula for calculating by direct method, sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. The second method of calculating mean is assumed mean method. Mean equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi, where a is the assumed mean and di equal to xi minus a, where xi are the class marks of the different class interval and minus assumed mean, and xi is the class mark. And third method is step deviation method. The formula of step deviation method is a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h, where ui equal to di upon h, where di equal to xi minus a by h, and h is the class size. Now I am giving the example of solving mean of these three methods. I have taken a very simple question, then I am solving here. Here are the class intervals 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. These are the class intervals. And the frequency 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. Here xi is the class mark. So 0 plus 2 divided by 2 becomes 1. Class mark mid value 2 plus 4, 6, 3. And class 5. Class mark 7, 9, 11 and 13. Understand class mark? 0 plus 2 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2, 4 plus 6 by 2 are the xi. And fi xi, multiplying fi into xi, 1 into 1, 1, 2 3 ja 6, 5, 5 7 ja 35, 9 6 ja 54, 11 2 ja 22 and 13 3 ja 39. Multiplying these two lines, this into this. The formula is mean equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Sigma means summation of all these numbers and summation of sigma this. 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 9, 15. Here is a 20. And adding this. Here is 162. Put the value here. Sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. It means 162 divided by 20. 8.1. Mean is 8.1. This is by the direct method. If I want to find this mean by assume mean method, same question. The xi is this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. Here di equal to assume mean we have take the mid value of this class mark. X a equal to 7. We have taken the assume mean as a 7, the mid value. These are the 7, 3 left, these are 3, 7. So di equal to xi minus a. Xi 1 minus 7 minus 6. 3 minus 7 minus 4 minus 2. Subtracting 7 from all these numbers. Xi minus a. And multiplying fi and di. 1 minus 6 minus 6. 4 2 is minus 8. Minus 2, 0. 6 2 is 12. 2 4 is 8. 6 3 is 18. Sigma fi 20. And by adding this, adding negative numbers, minus 16 here, and adding that 20, 38. 38 minus 16 is 22. Okay. Put the value here. A equal to 7 plus sigma fi 22 by 20. Here 7 plus 1.1. The answer is 8.8. This is the answer by assume mean method. You can solve by seeing this example. Next is step deviation method. Same question solved by the step deviation method. Taking class marks 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. Di xi minus a. Xi, the a is 7 minus 1 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2 0 2 4 6. Subtracting sum. U equal to di minus h. A equal to 7. H is the class size. Class size here is 2. The difference between the upper limit and lower limit is 2. So each number divided by 2. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Fi ui, it means multiplied by fi and ui. 1 minus 3, minus 3. 2 minus 2, minus 4. 1 minus 1, minus 0. 6, 4, 9. फिर similar method. Adding this, minus 8 and 19. And here is 11. Summation of this 11. And fi 20. Put the values in the formula. A plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. A is 7. Fi ui is 11. Sigma fi 20 into 2. H is 2. H is class size. By solving this, 7 plus 22 by 20. It means you can cancel here 10, 1.1. 7 plus 1.1. The answer 8.1. The answer remains the same by solving any method. But in the question I given the solve the following question by step deviation method, you have to solve by this method. Assume mean method, solve by this method and direct method. Any question you can solve by using these 3 examples. Okay. Thank you.